Supreme Court putting a stay on the sedition law till the government reviews the law. Remember, the government had said in the previous hearing that they were willing to have a relook at this law. So that in itself was a U-turn at the time. The Supreme Court then suggesting that the law be put on hold and, no fresh cases for the moment. But today the centre seemed reluctant to do that, saying that they can't put a law on hold on the basis of some PILs. But then the Supreme Court took a recess, finally coming back and making this a big historic decision of putting this sedition law on hold. Let's go across to Sukirti now for more. Sukirti, not only is the law on hold, but those who've been charged under sedition, a big relief for them, isn't it?
Well, yes, absolutely. It is a very big relief for everybody who's been charged under this particular law because the Supreme Court has not only said the filing of further FIRs in these cases, but also has stayed all the pending proceedings in the sedition case, and the centre will have to follow these directions that have been issued by the Supreme Court. The CJI, during passing the orders, he pointed out that the petitioners have mentioned how the law is being mentioned, and in fact, even the Attorney General of India had earlier mentioned how in Maharashtra a sedition case was filed just for reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. And in light of all of these factors, the CJI has suggested that all of this this law should be paused for now until the government finishes its review of the examination of this law. And just to be clear, we do not know how long the government will take for this entire re-examination process, because yesterday the Supreme Court had asked them for a clear timeline of when it will finish this entire re-examination process, and to that the Solicitor General had said that he is unable to give a timeline accurately as of this moment, but the process for review has started. So definitely a very, very big relief for all those hundreds of cases registered across India, and people who are already lodged in jails can now approach the court for bail.
All right, Sukirti. So a big day for those, a big day for the country, in fact, with the sedition law being put on hold. Let's go across now. We're joined by Ashwini Dubey on the phone line. Ashwini Dubey, your reaction to this big breaking news?
Thank you very much, Gargi. One, that this draconian law, the law which was passed by the Britishers to suppress the voice of freedom fighters who were involved in the freedom struggle, has been put on hold at the first time. Number two, the government as well as the Honorable Supreme Court have worked together to put it away. The Honorable Supreme Court India, in a landmark interim order, has passed certain guidelines, like Union of India will directed the Union of India to reconsider this, because Union of India came fairly with the suggestions that during the 75th years of the independence, Government of India wants to bring amendments in this colonial law. Second, the Honorable Supreme Court says that the petitioners have alleged that the law is being misused, and the Attorney General has also mentioned the sedition charges filed in Hanuman Chalisa case. The Honorable Supreme Court said that it will be appropriate not to use this provision of law till further is over, because re-examination when any law is amended or changed, the stakeholders like state governments as well as the various other factors is to be looked into. So Honorable Supreme Court said we hope and expect that centre and the state will desist from registering any FIR under Section 124A or initiate proceedings under the same till the re-examination by centre is over. And the CJI said that all pending proceedings to be kept in abeyance, because the previously instituted cases, because it does have effect on retrospectively in the instituted cases. The Supreme Court also said about the prospectivity of this, that if any fresh cases are filed, concerned parties may approach court, and court to expeditiously dispose of the same. And the Honorable Supreme Court further said the Union of India has liberty to pass directives to states to prevent misuse of the law. And those already booked under Sedition 124A are in jail can approach the court. So this is a very welcoming, fair, and very, very nice order which has been passed at the instance of Honorable Supreme Court, and the Government of India too have supported Honorable Supreme Court in this move.